My name is Mary Hartman, and I graduated from Harley in 1990. One of my seminal memories of Harley is the bridge over the Harley Creek that one of my grandfathers actually put forth money to help build. To be at Harley as a child and realize this is a place that your family has chosen to support and believe in, not only by sending their children and grandchildren to Harley, but continuing to be a member of the Harley community. It helps even a young child understand the importance of choosing something that matters to you, that you think matters to the larger community, and believing in it and supporting it in a tangible way. I don't think I've ever referred to Harley just simply as the high school that I went to. It's never been that. Part of it is because the campus has nursery through 12 on it. There was something about that exposure to the bigger, older kids that helped you sort of see who you were going to be next. The idea that you're going through elementary school and middle school, watching older, bigger kids in front of you and knowing that that's a part of a larger community, it's ever present at Harley. It's ever present at Harley. In a school like Harley that helps a child figure out how to be a good citizen of the world is what matters. There's nothing unique about that, what I just said, like everybody gets that. But Harley does it better than most, and certainly attends to it and has always attended to that in ways that are unique and are important. What is it that we learned from a very early age at Harley? This idea that part of your purpose here is to help others. I don't, in fact, think everyone I know can look back on their high school preparatory years and say that that's what they observed, that's what they witnessed, that's what they were part of, and or that's where they learned